Why setbacks and rejections are part of growth. Many people take rejection personally, but in reality, setbacks are stepping stones to success. Every successful person has faced rejection, criticism, or failure. The difference is, they didn't quit. They adjusted and kept going. The 3 truths about rejection. 1. It's not always about you. Sometimes, rejection happens due to circumstances beyond your control. 2. Rejection builds resilience. Each setback teaches you a lesson and makes you stronger. 3. Every no moves you closer to a yes. The more you keep going, the greater your chances of success. How to handle rejection and setbacks with confidence. 1. Reframe rejection as redirection. Instead of thinking, I failed, think, this wasn't the right opportunity for me. 2. Learn the lesson, then move on. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I improve for next time? 3. Don't let one no define your worth. A rejection doesn't mean you aren't good enough. It simply means this wasn't the right time or place. 4. Keep taking action. The best way to overcome rejection is to keep pushing forward. The more action you take, the more opportunities you create. 5. Surround yourself with resilient people. Confidence grows when you connect with others who have overcome setbacks and achieved success. Real-life example: Michael Jordan's high school rejection. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. Instead of giving up, he trained harder and became one of the greatest athletes of all time. He once said, "I've failed over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed." Key takeaway: rejection is not failure. It's an opportunity to grow. The faster you bounce back, the stronger you become. Please like, comment, and subscribe.